welcome back to my channel. I am amzolinek, and today we're doing kitchen organization. I'm going to show you how to get your kitchen organized and functional with just a simple but yet effective items. So if you are into such content, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. So let's get started. So first is this dish strainer from Ikea. So I use this for multi-purposes in my kitchen and this works so well. So first I'm going to show you how I use it to organize my pot lids. Guys, can you relate, like when you have a pile or chunk of covers in that drawer, and whenever you come in to pick up a cover, the loud noise that just rambles in the kitchen? Oh my goodness. So with this organizer, you are going to say goodbye to that noise. Okay, so I use this to organize my pot lids, the smaller ones and the bigger ones, and you can add multiple, 1 or 2 into your drawers depending how large your drawer is, and this just gets the jobs done. And now you've got a well-organized lid drawer that easily closes and easily slides out without the noise. I also use it as a pot base to hold my hot pot. That way you prevent your countertops from getting damaged. And lastly, I also use it as a dish strainer, which was what it was meant for. So next is your sponge and your scrub holder. So having your sponges just laying right at your sink is just not a good sight, and keeping them into something that is going to make it look organized and neat and also prevent your countertop from being wet all the time is just a good idea. And this has a function where you can strain the water at the end of the day. Command hooks are great for home storage or organization because you can literally hang them everywhere. I have this in my bathroom, in my kitchen, and they are also rental friendly because you don't have to drill holes on the wall. All you have to do is press them on and they stay put. And they come in different sizes and colors, and this is how I use it in the kitchen. I hang my brushes, you can hang the towels. Next is a bread container, which can keep your bread soft and fresh and also keep your kitchen looking organized and neat. By the way, pardon my voice, I have a cold, so this is why it sounds a bit crappy. Next on our kitchen organization ideas are this zipper freezer bags. So you can use this in your freezer, your fridge, your pantry, literally anything that has to do with your kitchen. So I use this to store my dairy product like chicken, meat, fish. I also use it to store my vegetables. I store my fruits, so you always have fruits even when they are out of season. You have them in your freezer for your smoothies and all that. They are amazing, and the fact that they are just transparent just makes it so storage friendly because you can easily find things in the freezer. You don't have to mix up or box up the whole thing while going through your product. You can just find exactly what you want right there. Okay, kitchen organization cannot be complete without these storage containers, glasses, boxes, whatever you call them. I got these ones from Globus and they are so cute, and the fact that they are transparent makes it easier for you to locate or find things. They just make the kitchen looks organized, neat, clean, and they're just the best. And I particularly love these ones because of the wooden lid and the cute little leather holder at the top, which makes them eco-friendly and unique at the same time. So I'm gonna link my pantry organization video right here at the top. You can check it out afterwards. Next are baskets. Baskets are a great way to organize and keep your kitchen tidy. So I got this one from the garden center, and I'm sure you can also have them from the Euro shop or any other places. And I use this one to store cookies, snacks for the kids. You can use them for multi purposes, and they are just a great way to store things away. Lastly is this cooking spoon holder. This is amazing, guys. I'm sure we all can relate, like when you're cooking and you finish stirring and you have to hang your spoon on the pot holder or place it on the countertop, it's just gonna make a mess. So I got this one from the Euro shop and it works amazing because you have a specific place where you lay your spoons after mixing or tasting. So yeah, I just lay my soup spoon, my tasting spoon, and my wooden spoon for the rice or whatever. You can place your spatula and all of that. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this and I hope it was also helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share. See you in our next video. Bye bye.